Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Redmi for hotspot use. Charge it and close heavy apps. Once done, go to Settings, tap Connection and Sharing, then Portable Hotspot to begin. You should name your SSID clearly so nearby devices recognize it, and set a WPA2 or WPA3 password for security. This prevents unauthorized access and saves data. Make sure mobile data is enabled. Without data, the hotspot only shares local connectivity. Now you're ready for the next configuration step. You now fine-tune the hotspot. First, pick the AP band, choose 4 GHz for better range and compatibility, or 5 GHz for faster throughput. Next, set a maximum number of devices to prevent congestion, and if available, enable a data limit to control usage. This protects your monthly allowance. Once configured, toggle the hotspot on. Make sure you briefly reveal the password to confirm other devices can enter it correctly. These steps optimize performance and reliability while keeping control in your hands. You finish by connecting client devices. Select the SSID you created and type the password exactly, watching for capitalization and symbols. If a device connects but has no internet, make sure mobile data is active on the Redmi, then toggle the hotspot off and on. A quick restart often resolves IP assignment problems. If issues persist, assign a static IP on the client or restart both devices. One key tip: if many devices struggle, switch to 4 GHz for stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.